Multiply 824 by 0.75 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Put 0 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 8 plus the carried 1 is 41. The first partial product is 4,120. Now use the tens digit, 7. Start one place to the left. 7 times 4 is 28. Put 8 in this column and carry 2. 7 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 7 times 8 plus the carried 1 is 57. The second partial product is 57,680. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 2 plus 8 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 8. In the thousands column, 4 plus 7 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the 10 negative thousands column, 5 plus the carried 1 is 6. The whole negative number product is 61,800. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 61,800 becomes 618.00. That is simply 618. So 824 times 0.75 is 618.